Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I created this ninja bun, stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, first thing first, I have to put my hair into a ponytail, and to do so I am using my Eco styling gel to make my hair nice and sleek. And yeah, once I have put it into the ponytail, I would then add some hair into some braiding hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm done putting my hair into a ponytail, we're going to add the hair into it. So in order to add the braiding hair into it, I am going to wrap a scrunchie around the braiding hair so that I can just add it into my hair with the scrunchie. So as you can see, I'm just adding the braiding hair into my hair, and once I have done that, I am going to separate the hair into two, and then once I have separated into two, I am just going to begin to twist it, and as I twist it, I am going to twist the hair around, creating a knot. Go ahead and support your girl by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know. If you guys like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the top bun or the ninja bun, I'm just going to put a few bobby pins in there to basically secure this bun. You guys, my bun is not the neatest thing, or my ninja bun is not the neatest. I tried to get my little ninja bun a little higher and a little neater, but I was just getting frustrated with it, so I just did it however I can do it. But hopefully you guys actually like my little ninja bun here. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.